This morning was a smooth process, smooth sailing through the airport. I got here at like 4:15 and was done with everything by like 4:30. Super easy, super chill. Nobody's really here yet. But that's Pittsburgh Airport for you. So now I'm just waiting to go. I was messing around with my phone a little bit. I recorded a video or two. And I got the airport scarf on. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know about the airport scarf. And I'm just ready to catch my plane. It boards at 6 and we land. I don't know what time we land, but our flight's only 2 hours. So somewhere around like 8:45, 9 o'clock is when we're gonna land. And then it's like a 50-minute layover in Florida, and then straight from Florida to Cartagena, and then from there we'll just see what happens. I don't know how I'm gonna get to my hostel. I guess I'll just taxi my way there. I tried to contact them and ask if they did transfers, and they said yeah, but they never responded. So we're just gonna pray and hope for the best. Blessings to this trip and everything that's henceforth from here. I'm so excited. So just stay tuned. I'm not that hungry, but I'm kind of hungry. I'm just really anxious, so I'm not gonna eat yet.
Vaya al carro.
Okay.
Acá no dejan parquear. Chiquina.
Sí.
Esto. Hablas español.
Un poquito.
Ah, qué bueno. Acá vas a practicar.
Sí. ¿Qué de eso?
¿Y qué tal el viaje? ¿Todo bien?
¿Qué?
¿Todo bien?
Sí.
¿En el avión todo bien? Ok. Bienvenida.
Gracias.
Cartagena, de Indias.
Esa hace calor.
Mucho.
Mucho.
Mucho calor. Todos los días
Sí.
hace calor en Cartagena. Un momento. Ok, adelante.
Lord God, please just keep me safe while I'm here.
Okay.
We're in the car. All right.
Oh. Allá afuera mucho calor.
Sí. Pero me gusta.
¿Sí? ¿Te gusta?
Sí.
Ok. Eso se llama Teatro Heredia. Es un teatro, ¿ok?
Oh.
Mira hacia allá. ¿Listo? ¿Te gusta la comida típica? Pescado. ¿Qué comida es tu favorita?
Todo.
Todo. Hay uno muy bueno que te queda cerca. El hotel es ahí. Casa Movida.
Casa
Llegamos.
Movida.
Bienvenida nuevamente a Cartagena.
Yay.
¿Ok?
Okay, we're here.
¿Listo?
Gracias.
Ok.
Gracias. Hola.
bed is bed. 16.
16. There we go.
Do you want to use the safe box?
Yeah.
You had your locker, okay?
Okay.
You only have to put 4.
I'm absolutely obsessed with this place. So they have a lockbox, which is perfect because I also have a lock for my locker, and I really don't want to have what happened in Tulum happen here, which is I accidentally messed up my lock and like got locked out and couldn't figure it out. So I had to buy this one while I was there. And another thing is, Aaliyah was like, well, give me one of your keys, because I'm very forgetful sometimes when it comes to small little things like that, because I don't know why, but I am. And I never got the key back from her, and I'm like, dang it, I should have texted her like, hey girl, I'm gonna need that key if you still have it. I don't know if she would still have it or not, but I could definitely use it right now. But it's okay because they have a lockbox right over there. So what I think I'm going to do is make sure I keep my key in my lockbox. Anytime I need to get into my locker, open it up and make sure that's put back, just to avoid any complications, because I do not have time for that. But this place is, so far, I'm really liking it. It's very clean and very comfortable. I have so much legroom. I don't even know what to do myself. I could stretch. I'm still like, I'm not tired anymore because I'm like, I'm here, there's so much I have to do, it's so beautiful. But I also feel like I need to eat and shower and take a nap and then wake up, and that's the plan for right now. I'm thanking God for getting me here safely. Super shouts out to the flight attendants, to the pilots, and most importantly God, because we're here. And getting through the airport was such a smooth process. I was like, El Salvador tried to taint me. They tried to ruin my perception of travel. They couldn't do it because this was amazing. We're here. So your girl is up and she is ready to be social and talk to people and move around. I took a few hours nap. It wasn't that long, but it was long enough for me to feel a little bit more rejuvenated. So now I'm ready to like go order some pizza and talk and maybe order a drink or two. It's really hot out and I'm sweating, so we'll see how long this shirt makes it in the night. So yeah, let's go get some food. Okay, so I'm back inside the hostel, and I think now it's time for me to get in the shower. It is, at this point. I'm ready to get cleaned up. So here's the bathroom. Not too shabby. I got everything set up. Excuse me. I have my face wash stuff over here. I have my glove. And then here's like some other stuff I use with my soap. I'm about to go change, put on my towel, and then hop in the shower. Alright, so I got my towel on. I brought my pants with me just so I can put them on once I get out. I guess I'll fold them up and set them down somewhere. I get real weird about bathrooms. I'm like very like, I don't want my stuff touching anything. Ooh. Okay, but I got this. I should have wiped down the walls. I should have did. I think my locker's still open. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so I gotta clean up just to be extra clean, just because like, you know, most other people using this bathroom, I don't know how clean they are. I'm out the shower. So I figured since we're here, why not do a night routine? This night routine is greatly modified because I'm not at home and I don't have everything that I would use, but it's close enough. And that's all that matters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, with our face, make sure you don't get any of this water in your mouth when you're out the country. And we use that CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. You know, you don't have to be rough with your face. You don't gotta be this nice little, straight like that. And I typically like to use cold water to wash my face. I feel like it's good for me. Bacon is good for me. I don't know what I'm talking about here. A little pat dry. We're gonna use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Okay, that was my model look for y'all. I love this stuff. I love the way it smells and I love the way it makes my skin feel. So I like to use this. And then we just rub that in. We don't want a true oily face, so it's good for scars and stuff like that. And you see, I have some. I don't really know how helpful it is to actually clearing it up, but since we're here, we might as well use it. And I'm actually going to use some of my body as well because I got bitten up by mosquitoes today. And I only got 3 mosquito bites, but 3 is enough. So yeah, that's the end of the face routine. Takes 2 seconds. Tomorrow about me looking crazy. Skin glowing. Blue hazy. I'm gonna coconut oil myself up. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of this bio oil in there as well. And who knows, I might even put some lotion on just for a little added effect. I guess we'll turn the camera off for this. I'm out the shower. You guys already know. I have my travel pants with me. Y'all already know. So I might go get the drink from downstairs, but like my pizza is in the fridge, which I'll show you guys the kitchen area, which is really cute, especially at night, because they have like those little neon lights everywhere. It's time to eat. So let's go. Let's go. Alright, so my pizza is in the microwave. My lemonade is frozen and delicious. So I'm just gonna enjoy my food and chill out and vibe. Well, after this, I'll be hitting the hay and going right to bed. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Shakina.
Shakina, Shakina. Aquí tenemos a Shakira, Shakira. Ya vamos a llegar, mira, ahí está.